Hi, welcome to JC Studio. Let's begin the course. Before we start, we need some basic requirement and a local environment setup. So what are the requirement we need first? Just open your browser and go to the Unity official webpage. From there, you can download the latest versions of Unity. Click on the download option. Once you open the download page, you can directly download the download for window. It will download the latest version of Unity from their official website, or else you can choose the download the Unity Hub. The Unity Hub will manage all the versions, so you can what are the version if you want to download older version, upcoming version, pre-release version, so you can download it by through Unity Hub. So you can, if you want Hub, you can download it from here. So I have already downloaded the Unity Hub. So here, from here you can select install editor option in the install and install editor option. So I have already installed 2022.3.4f1. So if you go to the install editor option here, it has a long-term support that is called LTS. So 2022 I am using. So if you are using 2022.3, you can download this. So the same version I'm using. And once you click on the install option, there are a lot of options available. So what are the plugins you need extra for developing games? So first of all, we need a Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2022 and Android Studio and iOS. So if you want to make this game for iOS, so you need for iOS, or if you want to create a Linux or Mac or Windows and etc WebGL and all the things. So just to download it this with Visual Studio and Android support and Android SDK, and just continue it, it will be automatically getting download and install it. I'm not going to continue that because I have already installed the Unity version. Here it is. And next we need a SmartFox server. The SmartFox server, it is very popular and very powerful. So this is fully server oriented. So by the help of SmartFox, we are going to make multiplayer Ludo from scratch. So here you can have a, once you completed the course, you will have a better knowledge about what is SmartFox and how to handle the multiplayer and how the multiplayer games working and how to handle the server side and front end side. Everything I will teach you step by step. So why I choose SmartFox? SmartFox server, it has a fully controlled by us. So whatever the basics, from basics to advanced level, we have to create a code for that. Like in Python, we don't have a fully control because like it will be something different. So we don't need for separate server for Python or mirror like that. But SmartFox server, we need a separate server. So end of the course, I will teach you how to upload it to server as and run it locally or globally. Both we will do it and set up it. And here we have 100 CCU free. So SmartFox server, we have 100 CCU free. But in Python or other server, there is a 20 CCU limitation. So you can, if you have 100 CCU free, so CCU means concurrently 100 players can connect and play your game. So 100 player means you have a better stability to your code as well as your server configuration. So once you reaching 100 players are concurrently playing your game, so you have a better understanding about your code level. Okay, how the code is working, how the users are connecting or disconnecting, and everything we can check it. And finally, we can upgrade our plan according to your requirement. So that's the difference. We will talk about that in later. So just go to the SmartFox server and just here and download section, just click on download and SmartFox 2x. Don't go pro and basics, just 2x. Here we have some plugin for SmartFox server, Windows and Linux as well as SmartFoxServer 2x for Mac version. So I'm using the Windows, so just click on the latest version of and just download, and it will automatically add to the download. I have already downloaded, but still, so I have a latest version only. And once you download this, you need one more thing that is called SmartFox client API. So client API, which is the latest one here, we need. You can download it that as well. So how to use this, I will teach you because and just download for the Windows, not for Java or Java API. And if you go to the extra, there is a one more tools, Windows standalone tools is there. So we need this also to create our zone and a room, control it, and overview whatever background is happening and running. So everything we will check it out. So you can download it from the standalone tool, which means the admin tool for Windows standalone. Just download it. Even this also I have already downloaded, so I have a set of files. Okay, so once you download all this thing, and we will just once you install the Unity, just open your download section where I have SmartFox here. So just open it and install it. It is taking little time. It must be the first time it is set up in your the powerful engine. Okay, we just install it and give next and just accept the terms and condition. If you need, you can read it in the house and you can next and just note it down the installation of location, so where I'm installing, and if you need to install separate place, you can directly install. So I'm just installing the default path and I know where it is. Okay, so it has already exist because I have already installed, so I just give it yes, next and next. Okay, once you started installing the service, and also we need to install the admin tool, so which has SFS2X admin tool, which you have downloaded from the web page. I'm just going to install that also. Okay, so next. Also, it has I have already installed, so I'm just going to just repair it, and you just go through the installation process to next option. So once we install, we finished and finished. So we have a admin tool. So once you open it, the admin tool, so it's look like that. Yeah, it is like that. And okay, and also we need one more requirement of software, which is called NetBeans. So go to the netbeans.apache.org homepage or download. So here you can download the latest versions of Apache NetBeans. I'm using the Apache NetBeans of 12.0 version, so you can download the latest version, or else you can go to the older releases. So here you will get the previous version 12.14 I'm using. Just go to the download section, and here the installer is Apache NetBeans for Windows 64-bit or Linux or Mac, so whatever OS you are using according to your requirement, you can download it. So just click on the download option, it will get download. So once it downloads, so you can just install it, like what basic software needs to, how the basic software will install. In the next video, we will create a project and set up the basic environment to make our game live.